institutional investor can discover, evaluate, and allocate to high performing crypto fund managers and tokenized investment products, all from a single secure platform. Auro IMS is more than just a digital platform, it's a curated marketplace built for institutional investors to explore, assess, and invest in crypto fund managers and tokenized product all in one place. We basically solves two major problems we consistently hear from investors. First is trust. How do I know these managers and their returns are real? Then liquidity. How can I confidently enter exit this position? Here, how Auro IMS answer that. We onboard manager after doing a thorough in due diligence, and then only those are onboarded onto the platform. Performance data is directly pulled into the via our OMS and PMS, which means you're not looking at a pitch deck, you're looking at actual trades. There are no upfront costs for the managers. We charge only on a success basis and anything initiate across the board. And if you are an investor who wants to allocate fund directly, you can directly go to the ROIMS investment portal. So what makes a difference? We are not basically a listing site. We have our own dashboard screen like the strategy tabs, which basically shows the volatility, Sharp ratio, Sotino ratio, max drawdown, and you can sort it as per your preference. Our platform basically is backed by the Silicon Valley US venture, and apart from that, we are also backed by Auroville Hong Kong Limited, which perform the due diligence, which is basically a Type 9 licensed Hong Kong fund. So right now I'll take you to the strategy tab. So this is the strategy tab where all the managers are listed. And now what we'll do is you can see all the details including the return, their Sharp ratio, their Sotino ratio. So now let's click on one of the manager's profile. Once we enter into the manager profile, you can see the live trading data with respect to BTC ITR. You can see that which strategy description that they're using, how they're fund located between spot and option, and apart from that you can see also a monthly return data. So apart from this, even if you want, you get a manager strategy tiership, which gives you a complete breakdown of their current strategy, the benchmarking, their max drawdown, all the required data that is required by investor. So you have an option on ROIMS whether you want to allocate directly to a fund. You can DIY, invest yourself, do it yourself, or you can basically choose Auroville, where we will help you choose the manager basis of your risk appetite. So this is how Auro IMS helps fund managers and investor collect, and it's a marketplace for fund managers and crypto institutional investors. Thank you.